everybody, I'm standing in front of a home that we closed on last week. It's sold, the sellers have a lease back, they're here for another week. But it's an example of a changing market. Sellers need to do the right things now. Luckily, my sellers were fantastic. They understood what we were trying to accomplish, the best ways to accomplish it. They listened to me. They listened to my staging consultant who I brought in, and they did the right things. We sold, even though this market is changing right now, and some will say it's shifting. I just say it's going back to normal. It's a normalizing market. We're going back to a lot of homes are going to take 14 to 60 days to sell again. Prior to the pandemic, that was the norm. People forget that. But these sellers, I brought in, I have a staging consultant, Occupied Homes, a lady who's been in the business quite a while. She has a great eye for detail, for what's going to look good on photos, what's going to make a good first impression. She has a lot better eye for that than I do, so I hire her to come through a house. I heard the term last week at a seminar called the transformation consultation. I love that. I think I'm going to start using that with my marketing, but I bring her in for her set of eyes. We walk through the house with the sellers, and she's very good at, you need to move this to the garage or to a storage building. You need to move this from this room to that room. She even helps move the stuff. But no, we go through the house, and we gave these sellers a pretty lengthy list of things to move to a garage or a storage shed, things to move from one room to another, maybe take a section out of a sectional so the room looks bigger. She gave a big list, and we wanted to be on the market in 7 to 10 days after she came through and have photos taken, all that. And I was kind of worried, was it too overwhelming? I asked the sellers afterwards, after she left, I said, hey, is this too much for us to meet our timeline of, next week for pictures? Because there was a lot, and it was coming up on a holiday weekend, and they're like, nope, we'll get it done. And I'll tell you what, they busted tail. I was very impressed. They got it all done on time. The photos look great. We got it sold quick. Got it at a very good price for this market. When you're hearing price reductions lately, we didn't have to do that. In fact, we got a very attractive offer with some very good terms for the sellers in this environment right now. So I'm so happy for them. But as this market goes back to normal, sellers will have to do more of the things they used to have to do. Replacing carpeting. Some homes in the last 18 months have gotten lazy. They haven't needed to do that. Laminate flooring, things like that. Just the little things that for 18 months sellers didn't have to do it because everything had multiple offers. It was a buying frenzy, and now agents need to consult their sellers. These are the things we need to do to stand out above the crowd because there is more inventory out there. So, hey, once again, I'm just happy for these sellers. They did a fantastic job. We're in the market where things are going back to normal. Sellers will need to do the right things if they want to stand out and get sold quickly. And they better have agents that are going to, if they don't know how to consult how the house should look, hire their staging consultant like I do. But either way, just giving you my tips of the day. It's a great day. The real estate market is still very good for sellers, but it's getting much better for buyers than what's been for 2 years. So I'm happy to serve both sides however I can. You have a great day. And hey, please subscribe to this channel because I've got more local information of Northern Dallas coming. I've got barbecue tips. I've got restaurant reviews. I've got everything for you. So I'll talk to you later.